Hello friends, I am Spasho. This video is little different. In this video, I'll tell you some information about one of my favorite plants, ground orchid or Spathoglotis plicata. And I'll also share with you my experience of buying various colors at very reasonable price from a Facebook seller. I have already posted a video regarding ground orchid in this channel, and those who may be interested may find the link in the I button as well as in the description box. Those who loves to keep orchids or thinking of keeping them, this plant is just an excellent choice. The most common variety you will find in some nurseries are purple. You don't have to care these plants delicately as we do for our orchids. You need to care them just like normal other flowering plants in your containers. But the number and life of their flowers are much higher than any orchid you know. Once a stick of flower formed, stayed there for at least 4 to 5 months or even more, and by this time some more sticks come out. That means these plants once starts flowering will never be void of flowers on them. Baby plants regularly come out from their sides, and one 8-inch container gets filled with plants each year and gets root bound. So good is their growth rate. At least in my city Kolkata, this plant is not that popular yet, as very few nurseries keep these plants. The plant which you are seeing now, I have purchased them about 6 to 7 years back from a nursery in Salt Lake, Kolkata. The price was 100 rupees with the pot. Neither me nor the nursery person had any knowledge about this plant, but today it is one of my favorite plants. From this plant, I get many plants each year. Very easily, you can separate these plants at their roots and get new plants. Sometimes, if they are excessively root bound, you need a good force to separate them, or even you have to cut them sometimes. But not a single plant will die. They are extremely hardy. Nowadays, I was seeing various colored flowers in these plants on the internet. The size of the flowers also seems to be bigger. Each and every color I saw was amazing, as you can also see on your screen. In some places, they are called Thailand variety. Whatever variety they may be, there is no doubt that they are really wonderful. So I started searching for them in the local nurseries in my area. Forget about the colors. I didn't find the normal purple colored plants in any nursery around. Even in the Gallup Street Pet Market, didn't have any. So I started searching on the internet. Very few online stores are selling these colors, but their pricing is forbiddingly high, as you can see on the screen. Even some of them are charging hefty price for the normal purple color flower plants. I was almost losing hope, but then I noticed some Facebook seller are selling these plants from different parts of India. They are selling almost all the colors available, and each seller has their own pricing. Some of them are high, some are reasonable, but the range I saw for each plant was about 200 to 250 rupees. Shipping cost will be added to this. This is definitely much less than the stores are charging. After searching a bit deeply, I found a seller whose name is Priya. I communicated with her in Facebook Messenger, and I felt very comfortable to deal with her, and I could trust her. She listed the price for each plant was 125 rupees. The price was really attractive and of course reasonable. So I ordered 5 plants from here. Most Facebook sellers do not accept cash on delivery, so you have to pay upfront. Shipping cost is usually 100 to 150 rupees if they are sending outside their state. If you can find the reviews of the seller before the purchase, the deal becomes much easier. But unfortunately, most of the time you will not get these. So the whole deal rests on mutual trust. This much risk you have to bear. But majority of the sellers are usually honest and will not be cheated. The sellers normally accept the payment through Google Pay. I paid her through Google Pay and she shipped the plants in the next working day only. She shared the photos of the plants before shipping and then she shared the tracking ID of the speed post. In 6 days, the plants reached me in Kolkata from Trivandrum, and this is the packet. I didn't expect any professional packaging, but it is fairly good and safe. She sent them in a cardboard pack with enough ventilation. All the 5 bare-rooted plants are bunched together and she added some moist coco peat at their roots and tied a polythene sheet around them. As you can see, all these plants are healthy and fresh looking. She has marked 2, 3, 5, R and O on the leaves of the plants. These actually denoting the color of the flowers as you can see on the screen. She informed me beforehand which number belongs to which color. I have kept all the ground orchids to this corner of my balcony. After 6 to 8 months, I expect all will bloom together and will give a heavenly look. Definitely, I'll share that video with you. Stay in touch. The link of the Facebook profile of the seller I have given in the description box. Her product listing is also there, but it may expire with time. In that case, you can message her regarding availability by directly messaging her from her profile page. And lastly, the disclaimer. It is not a promotional video. I have not taken any benefits, monetary or otherwise, from the seller. Thank you for watching by spending your valuable time. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now and thank you once again.